Alright, today we're going to be opening up the DJI Mini Pro 3, Mini 3 Pro actually. The DJI Mini 3 Pro. This is the opening. There was a little damage to the box here. Hopefully nothing is damaged on the inside though. Good thing is that it is sealed on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open up that seal. You don't need a knife for that. That said and done, it opened up. And here's the drone. There's remote control. It's pretty nice. Of course, a drone. So I guess it's got some stickers you gotta remove. Be careful with this in case something's wrong with it. I can always return it. And it says remove before use. And here it is. This is a bad boy right here. A little different from the DJI Mini 2. Just gotta get used to this though, I guess. For the remote underneath. Give you some more of the flaps, which screws it looks like. They give you a USB-C cable, and they give you a little screwdriver. You have to remove the flaps, I guess. So for now, we can leave that inside the box, since I probably won't need that for now. so far so good. And that's the reveal opening of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's the drone and that's the remote control. Looks pretty sweet.